let me show you how to pair your remote control to your Samsung TV. And first I suggest to have your remote control very close to your TV, and also make sure to point it at the Samsung logos that you have on your TV. And there are two types of remote controls. One that has got microphone also internally, so you see microphone button, and also ones that do not have the microphone. So if you have the microphone version, then you simply hold the back plus this play pause for roughly 10 seconds while pointing it at your TV, and it should connect. Also on your TV you should see a notice that it's connected, and yeah, it should automatically start to work. So again, the back plus this play pause, hold for 10 seconds and will connect. However, if you have a remote control that doesn't have this microphone button on it, then as soon as you basically insert the batteries in this remote, it should start to work. So we do not have to pair those. So only the ones with microphone we actually have to pair. Yeah, okay, good luck.